know. Oh, flavor come in and start talking about that. And now,
Six. You know about this guy, man.
The app again name.
Yo.
I look like Floyd Mayweather. I look like Floyd, bro. Yeah. Yeah? Oh. Xbox card. Looks like small.
What's that small? I would say stack. I could be right on my what's that small? But I bought off.
Yeah, the fire, so I'm supposed to return the boy that's late.
Yo, if I told me 4 compounds, it's 9 hours.
So let's put it on the front part, that's right.
No, you have to make 4. 9. Oh, 9. Jump on.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, you know. Oh, flavor come in and start talking about that. And now I'm thinking about that. You know that. That's the next thing too. Them one they get drunk. Yeah. The Ice Cube. Barber shop. Oh, a haircut, something like that.
Yeah. A barber shop, one, two, I don't know that.
Yeah, dog, you can't say that. Jamaican barber shop, you see?
Yeah. What is it?
Yeah, dog, start go barber every week, dog.
I need to haircut this scully, dog.
You know, because last week I go barber, you know, and line up. So I do line up trim, line up trim, line up trim, line up trim. So I do it more, dog.
It makes sense.
See, we start building the lifestyle we want to start with, dog. So start budget free and see it working on budget as long as we can still hit my goals with the investment.
Yeah.
Alright, dog. And live and go, dog, and do your thing. But still, you know?
True that.
Still an invest. So I think still just budget, dog. So 50% of my income going on investment, and that's good, dog. Because normally them I tell you 10%, 20%.
Yeah.
You need that. Alright. But you need more than that. So right now I start with 50% of my income for going on. So no matter how my period, 50% I can start from debt. I can start gross.
Gross income.
Yeah, I take 50% out that. So some in tax, so after tax,
That's it.
still whatever left.
Right now, I think about just go do my own investment thing. That's the same thing. The same thing. I might just do like 2 investment one time, or just the 2. Yeah, that.
Check it online by
That money, because most of you know online thing, I always do that. So clearly, you know that.
What you can do too is
I need a laptop to that. The next thing now, me need. Yeah, I can buy one, but sometimes I rather order one online and use. Yeah, because mine them laptop are ridiculous. Them man, that's I sell, brother. My laptop are expensive, man. Very expensive. Exactly. So, hold on, the Black Friday will come up soon. November the 20th, 24th or 25th, 26th. I think one of them. Black Friday will come in, so most likely, how things stay right now, I think about for just want a laptop, so I'm going to look online and see if I can order one online. I want a little neat one that you can use, but it's our MacBook. I do want to get rid of the MacBook, them sweet for the vlogs and thing. And then make the videos and thing. Oh, body cool.
Dog, cool.
Hot.
Hot dog.
Yeah, just a go there, you see.
Brother.
Your people, realize yo, syrup sponsor we have a drink, you see it? Come from foreign, you see me dog? Look on this. Yo, syrup, thing up. Whoo, pretty. Yo.
Chef, you brought me sitting here now.
Never drink syrup before, you know, but yo, brother, it's supposed to taste like it tastes good. Yep. But the box is like a music box. See that? You see it, look? My thing, see that? How it works, step 1, step 2, step 3. See that? Yeah, open right here, so? Sure. Oh, crap. Open right here, so? And you put, see it has a hole. You put your phone right there, so the speaker's supposed to go. And then play music. Come through here, so. See, I have a hole on the side, so. You mark syrup. Is it? Sick. Just drop it in there, drop it on top. Play music is like a music box. But yeah, that dope. Just you want to share that on the vlog, dope. Put it in, but yeah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days